What if your car has been hiding features that could save you from a $3,000 repair, and you've been driving past them every single day without knowing? Not upgrades. Not modifications. Factory-built secrets most drivers never discover. Today we're going through the best ones. Some will genuinely surprise you. One of them could prevent serious injury in a crash. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get into it. Number 1. The wiper service position. About to park overnight in an ice storm? Wipers frozen to the glass can burn out the wiper motor when you try to use them. That's a $200 to $400 repair nobody wants. Most modern cars have a hidden wiper service position that lifts the blade safely away from the glass. Turn off the engine, then within 10 seconds push the wiper stalk down to the single wipe position. The blades sweep up and lock vertical, completely clear of the windscreen, safe from ice and car washes. When you're done, start the car and tap the stalk. They drop back down. Find this before you need it. Number 2. The seatbelt energy loop nobody notices. That small loop of extra fabric stitched near your seatbelt buckle, most people think it's leftover material or a manufacturing quirk. It isn't. It's called an energy management system and it's designed to save your life. In a severe crash, that stitched loop tears apart at a controlled rate, allowing the belt to extend slightly and absorb energy that would otherwise slam directly into your chest. Without it, the belt itself could cause fatal internal injuries from the abrupt stop alone. One important thing, once it tears in a crash it's a single-use device. The entire seatbelt assembly needs replacing even if the belt looks fine. That's why mechanics replace seatbelts after any accident where airbags deploy. Number 3. The emergency fuel door release. Battery completely dead. Fuel door is electronically controlled. You're sitting at a petrol station with an empty tank and no way to open the flap. Complete disaster, unless you know about this. Every car with an electronic fuel door has a manual emergency release cable hidden inside the car. Check the boot or the rear interior panel behind where the fuel door sits. There's usually a small pull cable or emergency tab that manually pops the door open when the electronics fail completely. Your owner's manual mentions it in one sentence buried in the maintenance section. The whole process takes 20 seconds once you know where it is. Check yours tonight before you ever need it. Number 4. The tire pressure alert while filling. Nobody enjoys guessing when to stop adding air. But certain vehicles actually tell you when the tire hits the correct PSI while you're standing there filling it. Leave the ignition on without the engine running and start adding air. The hazard lights flash to show the system is monitoring in real time. When the tire reaches the manufacturer's recommended pressure, the car honks. If you keep going and accidentally overinflate, it honks again and flashes faster, warning you to release some air. Nearly 90% of drivers run tires either under or overinflated. This feature eliminates the guesswork entirely. Check your owner's manual to confirm if your model has it. Number 5. The hidden grocery hooks in the boot. Your takeout bag is tipping over on every corner. Your shopping is rolling around the boot. Most drivers never notice what's already built in to solve this. Look along the sides of your boot near the rear seats or along the cargo floor. There are small hooks, loops, or retractable hangers specifically designed to hold bags upright and prevent spills. Strong enough for multiple grocery bags. On some SUVs and hatchbacks they slide along a rail system so you can position them exactly where you need. They also work for gym bags, toolboxes, dry cleaning, anything you want secured without sliding around. Most owners never find these because nobody points them out. Number 6. Adjust your washer nozzles with a pin. Washer fluid spraying too high and missing the glass completely. Too low and hitting the bonnet. Most people assume they need a mechanic to fix this. They don't. Grab a sewing needle, safety pin, or paper clip. Insert it gently into the small opening of the washer nozzle on the bonnet. Angle it up, down, left, or right until the spray hits exactly where you want it. 10 seconds. No tools. No mechanic. Works on heated nozzles too. If you have dual nozzles, you can fine-tune each one individually for perfect coverage across the entire windscreen. Number 7. The glove box cooling vent. Open your glove box and look at the back wall. Some cars have a small vent connected directly to the AC system, essentially turning the glove box into a miniature refrigerator. A small dial or slider controls how much cold air flows in. On hot summer days it keeps water bottles cold, stops chocolate melting, and preserves temperature-sensitive medications like insulin. Most people stuff this compartment with old receipts and paperwork when it could be functioning as portable refrigeration all summer long. Check yours, it might already be there waiting to be used. Number 8. The seatbelt height adjustment. Your seatbelt cuts into your neck or slides off your shoulder constantly. That plastic slider on the door pillar where the belt comes out is not decorative, it's fully adjustable. Press the button on that slider and move the anchor point up or down the pillar to match your height. Shorter drivers should adjust it lower so the belt crosses the chest properly. Taller drivers need it higher to prevent neck discomfort. Here's why this matters beyond comfort. A belt position too high cuts across your neck in a crash and can cause serious injury. One position too low slides off your shoulder and makes the belt useless entirely. Takes 5 seconds to adjust. Do it today. Number 9. The auto tilt mirror when reversing. Backing into a parking spot with no idea how close you are to the curb. Your mirrors are probably aimed too high to see anything useful near your wheels. Most cars have an automatic tilt feature that fixes this, but it's disabled by default. When you shift into reverse, the passenger mirror can automatically tilt downward to show you the curb, parking lines, and your rear tire position. Enable it by adjusting your passenger mirror to where you want it normally, then shifting into reverse and manually tilting it down using the mirror controls to show the ground near your rear tire. The system remembers the position and returns the mirror to normal automatically when you shift out of reverse. Replacing a curb rashid will cost $200 to $800. This feature prevents all of it. Number 10. The auto hold button nobody uses. Stopped on a steep hill, foot on the brake, that moment of panic when you need to move your foot to the accelerator and the car starts rolling backward. There's a button that eliminates this completely. The auto hold button, sometimes labeled with a car on a slope or the letter A with a circle, automatically holds the brakes when you come to a complete stop. Press it once, a dashboard light confirms it's active, and the car holds itself in place without you touching the brake pedal at all. When you press the accelerator it releases instantly. Works at every stop, not just hills. Perfect for stop-and-go traffic when your leg gets tired from holding the brake for 20 minutes in a queue. Number 11. Remote start without a subscription. Car manufacturers want you paying $15 to $25 a month for remote start through their app. What they don't advertise is that your key fob probably already has it built in for free. If your key fob has a circular arrow icon or a button labeled 2x, you're set. Press lock twice, then press and hold on the third press. The engine fires up from hundreds of feet away, no app, no subscription, no monthly fee. Automakers bury this because subscriptions are recurring revenue. They make far more money from monthly fees than from the hardware already sitting in your key. Check your owner's manual for the exact sequence on your specific model. Then cancel the subscription. Number 12. The brake drying system in wet weather. You just drove through a massive puddle. Your brakes are soaking wet. Wet brakes have significantly reduced stopping power for the first few applications after getting soaked, and most drivers have no idea. Many modern cars have an automatic brake drying system that solves this without any input from you. When the car detects wet conditions through rain-sensing wipers or wheel speed sensors, it applies a tiny amount of brake pressure intermittently while you drive, just enough friction heat to evaporate water from the rotors and pads. The system pulses the brakes every few seconds in the background, maintaining dry contact surfaces throughout rainy weather. It coordinates with ABS and traction control automatically. Most drivers never know it's running. Now you do. 12 factory-built features sitting in your car right now. The wiper service position, the seatbelt loop, the emergency fuel release, the tire pressure alert, the boot hooks, the washer nozzle trick, the glove box cooler, the belt height adjustment, the reversing mirror tilt, auto hold, free remote start, and the brake drying system. Your car has always been more capable than you knew. Subscribe, we cover exactly this every week. Now the comments section is yours. Which one of these did you not know about before watching? Drop it honestly below. And if your car has a hidden feature we missed, tell us. Let's see what else these cars are hiding.